So I just had a swim in the gorge, and boat is all ready for our voyage. I got my oars in it. Looking forward to this afternoon. Okay, I'll have more as I go along. Well, the wind is pretty strong and the tide is coming back in. So I think I'm going to go from Banfield Park, is where I left. I'm heading to Gorge Park. That's what the universe has planned for me here. I'm just gonna go with that. So we're going that way, and I'll probably pack up the boat at that dock, walk back to this one. It's a good kilometer or so. Okay, later. Oh, such a beautiful life. I just want to share this with the world. I don't want to drop my phone in the water. We're heading that way. No time pressure. I can just get there when I get there. Okay. Oh, this is so peaceful. Got this water all to myself. This looks like some place you'd have to drive for hours to get to if you live in it. Okay, I'll check back in later. Oh, I had to check my messages. Phone's been ringing. So I'll take some pictures. See a little bridge over there? That's where we're going. I'm gonna let the current kind of pull me along here. Now that's Tillicum Road there. There's a little dock over there we're gonna end up, and I'm gonna go for a swim there. We'll just not a lot of activity here for these waterfront homes. Yeah. Okay. I hope I can put all these together and make a nice, decent video. All these bits and pieces. Okay. So we're almost at the bridge there, and just taking it. Okay, what I'll do is make my way to break before I head further west. It sure is hot and sunny here. I had my swim out here talking with people, and now they've all left. Beautiful swim, minus these reeds here. And there's the bridge. You can see the water's speeding up, current's going west, and that's where I'm going to go right away. I should go for another swim. Okay, no, maybe I'll go for my long paddle. I got a long couple of kilometers of paddling yet. Floating down the lazy river here. Yeah. Okay. I can put all these together and make a nice, decent video. All these bits and pieces. Okay. Okay, we're going to go under the bridge now. It's getting rougher, just a little bit. I'm holding my phone. I don't want to drop it in, but if I came through here when it's really gushing, oh, is that lovely? Yeah, a little bit rapidy, but oh, there's a crane over there. Oh, we're moving along nicely here. Oh, yeah. Holy. Floating down the lazy river here. That's Kinsman Beach over there. Okay, I think I'll paddle a little bit more. I'll take a I see the beach down there, and it's a good sign. Okay. So that's Admirals Road Bridge there, and you know, this is View Royal. And there's the beach that I'm going to pull off onto. Okay, so there, I made it. Now I'm going to go for a swim. get that on my Canon camera, and hopefully I can load all this in one big long piece. Okay, I had a swim. This water is more salty than lake water right now. It's coming in this way. And yeah, so there's my boat. A lot of kids around here, so I have to be careful not to get kids on this video. So I'm gonna pack up my boat. I got a 4-kilometer walk back to my bicycle. We'll see if I stop for a swim back at Tilcombe Dock. So much fun in one day. Okay, so I'm just all ready to head home. So 4-kilometer walk. I'm just going to be carrying that bag. We'll see if I go for a swim. Most likely will. I'm back at Banfield Park for a swim. And boy, is it busy here. It's 4:30. So, had a good day. I'm going to take a quick scan of this place. Okay, now to go home and add all this together and make a video.